Hello guys, in this right next tutorial series I'm going to show you how to install a program in Linux. Before I go ahead and show you how to install a programs, I want you to show you guys a small things that you might be wondering what are directory in Linux. So I want to show you this sign means that whenever you going out, going to the root document of Linux. So this is going to be where you can install your application, right? Now once you are there, you can use a command called d package minus I, which stand for install, or you say install, and you say package name. Okay, package name here stand for any package you like to install, and of course uh, you you put the package, and in this case it's a package you have been downloaded on somewhere else, and maybe you have it on your desktop, and in that case you use this scenario here, you use this command. But what happen if you want to install something that is coming from the internet and you don't want to download it and install it from your local machines? Well, that's a good option. What you can do is using um, another command called what apt-get. Okay, apt-get install. This stands for application. It's really kind easier to understand. Is application get and install, or maybe suppose if I want to install PHP, PHP 5, maybe this can be one way example of how you can install PHP 5 in your system, and or maybe Python, whatever you want to install, whatever available, you use this command to install your new package or your new application in your systems. Now once you know how to install package, and you may be wondering how to remove it, okay, it's the same. Use apt get remove, and you say package name you like to remove in a system, and the package will be removed. Okay, now once you know some commands of how you can install a command, I'm going to assume that you can install any application you'd like to use, and I'm going to show you once you have the application and what's going to happen. In Linux we don't have an interface, we don't have anything. So how do we handle the application like Google Chromes which have interface? How do we handle Sublime or any application that has interface? Well, Linux is pretty generous for you, and it does a cool trick for you that it creates interface for the application that require interfaces, and you don't have to worry about that. It's something that's happening on itself, and you don't have to struggle to make it happen. Now once you know how to install an application, so and you know that you have nothing to do with the application that has the interface, exactly Linux does that task for you. Now we can go ahead and check on what can happen to check if the application exists, in order that you cannot install it twice, even though it is not possible. But suppose you wanna be curious and you want to know that you have an application. So in this case I'm going to check out if I have PHP installed on my machine so that I can go ahead and use it. The only one the only one way to check this is using PHP, you know, say version. Okay, it's going to show you the version that PHP, the currently installed PHP has. You can see I have 5.6.9 PHP version. Wow. And this is one way. If PHP was not available in my system, it was not going to happen to read this information of my PHP. And it's the same. You can check like Node, say version. You can see I have 5.8.0, and it's all good. This is how you can check any programs, and if you check this and it brings out some errors, and that's the case, you will generalize saying that you don't have that application, and in that case you will need to install them. So thank you for watching these tutorials, and I hope you got an idea of how to install an application in Linux. And man, I know people who has some background from Windows system, from Windows operating system. They might wonder, maybe I want to use Photoshop or whatever. So guys, sorry, Linux cannot support you to use Photoshop, but I think if you want to use it, I will show you a good trick of how you can do that using some cool software that can help you do that. But for now, because you are a baby, I can let you do that. Have good time, and if you like my tutorials, as always, like I said, subscribe and please like.